Today we'll show you how to enable two-step verification in your Gmail. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google. Okay, this is our Gmail. Okay, and just you go to this your icon and go to manage your Google account. And after this, you will go now to securities again. Okay, this is okay, guys. Just click and will be put it down because I'm open it and you can see it, but you can just click to the second step verification, and after this you will be find here. This is all you can here put your PSK like in your USB and Google prompt like if you have a phone like a put yes or no, and this is for Google Authenticator, like you can add it like a application, and this is for a phone number, and this is a back app. You can do it. Okay guys, just you can maybe like this and get the codes, and finally you can download it. Okay, this is the codes guys. Okay, just you can print it and or download it, and finally you have now backup and you can open your Gmail with your codes. Okay guys, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.